And now we're heading into the Dollar Tree, and this is basically a pound shop, but in the US. Let's go and check out the dollar deals. So this is another big store full of everything $1. And let's start at the front and work towards the back. So they got some party stuff, shot glasses. I'm not going to keep saying just $1 because everything is $1. Flip-flops. Wow. Piñatas. Are they piñatas? Yeah, I think, no, they're just decor. Hanging decor. Outdoor bowls and plates. These are ideal if you've got a pool. If you're staying in a villa and you need some outdoor plates and bowls and cups, this is ideal. They've got some kids' pool stuff. Little rubber rings. Goggles, that's handy to know. They got some fake flowers in case you want some fake flowers for your villa. Or just fake flowers. Big range of cards. More pool stuff. The water pistols. Some more disposable party stuff. Plates. Knives and forks. Table covers. Different colours.
No, listen, we're just
all $1. Candles, celebration birthday candles, balloons. Fancy disposable knives and forks. Oh no, these are actual knives and forks. Pretty good. Mardi Gras beads. Birthday bags, wrapping paper. And remember, this is all $1. Not all of it, just individually, they're $1. Some trays. More bubbles. Jigsaw puzzles, because you need jigsaw puzzles. Mini Jenga. That's pretty good for $1. They got some Marvel stuff there. Avengers, Justice League, Paw Patrol. Fake moustaches. Recorder, we don't need one of them. Glow sticks. It's pretty good for $1. So you ever see those garage sales signs? This is where you can get them for $1. Photo frames. These are pretty cool for $1, aren't they? They've even got frozen food. Ice creams. Lasagnas, pizzas, burgers, frozen veggies, juice, drinks, cheese, eggs as well, bacon. Wow, all $1. They got food as well. So this is pretty much like a pound shop or a pound stretcher. We've got Tupperware, Betty Crocker's Tupperware Easy Seals, $1. Everything's $1. It says it right there, look, everything is $1. Hot dog buns. Wow. All this food. Pancake syrups. Brownie mix. And they got marshmallows. Look at this. $1 for that whole big bag. Bargain. Household cleaners, detergents, mops, brushes, scourers. This is ideal if you're staying in a villa and you run out of like your scourers or your cleaning cloths. This is ideal. Cheap. Kitchen roll at the back there. Toilet roll. And the cups for outside. By the pool maybe. Yeah, saves you going to Walmart and spending unnecessary amounts in there. Dish soap, $1. Got all the sweets and candies, Milk Duds, Skittles, Butterfingers, Swedish fish. Wow. And then they do the big bags over here as well. All your sodas and juices. Look at that. Sunglasses. $1. More fake flowers. Look at this. Fake flowers are the way to go. They've got everything in here. Everything you could possibly wish for. Barbecue tools. Look at that. $1. Absolute bargain. Lay's stacks. $1. These are nice actually. Oh, this is good if you want to get your shower gels or your shampoos. Don't bother bringing them with you. Just buy them in here. $1. And you can even get sun creams for $1. Happy days. And if you need a Lord's Prayer candle, they've even got them as well. And that was a look around the Dollar Tree with all the sirens going off behind me.